Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community.
Today, we're exploring Cardiff, the vibrant capital of Wales, a city where ancient history and modern culture blend effortlessly to create a destination that's both rich in heritage and full of life. Whether you're a history buff, a sports enthusiast, a foodie, or just looking for a picturesque weekend getaway, Cardiff has something for everyone. At the heart of Cardiff lies one of its most iconic landmarks, Cardiff Castle. This incredible structure reflects over 2,000 years of history, from its Roman foundations to the Norman keep, all the way to the lavish Victorian Gothic Revival renovations inside. The castle isn't just a historic relic, it's a living piece of the city, hosting events, tours, and even concerts. Surrounding the castle is Bute Park, one of the largest urban parks in the UK. This lush green space offers a peaceful retreat right in the city centre. With walking and cycling paths, wildlife, and views along the River Taff, it's the perfect place for a relaxing stroll or picnic. Just a short distance from the city centre is Cardiff Bay, a redeveloped waterfront area that perfectly showcases the city's modern side. Here, you'll find a mix of cutting-edge architecture and fun attractions for the whole family. The striking Wales Millennium Centre, with its iconic copper dome and bilingual inscription, hosts world-class theatre, opera, and musical performances. For science lovers, Technikist offers hands-on exhibits and interactive displays that make learning fun for all ages. And if you're just looking to unwind, the Bay's promenade is lined with restaurants, cafés, and bars where you can enjoy local cuisine while overlooking the water. You can even take a boat ride across the bay, or into the Bristol Channel. Cardiff is also a city that lives and breathes sport, especially rugby. The Principality Stadium, formerly known as the Millennium Stadium, is a national treasure and a hub of Welsh pride. It hosts major international rugby matches, including the Six Nations, as well as concerts and other large-scale events. Even if you're not a rugby fan, the energy and atmosphere on match days is absolutely electric, something you really have to experience in person. For culture and history lovers, Cardiff offers a fantastic range of museums and galleries. The National Museum Cardiff houses impressive collections of art, natural history, and archaeology, including works by Monet and Rodin. One of the most unique attractions is Street Fagan's National Museum of History, just outside the city. It's an open-air museum where original buildings from across Wales have been reconstructed, giving visitors an immersive experience of Welsh life through the centuries, from traditional farmhouses and chapels to a 1940s wartime prefab home. Cardiff is also a great destination for shopping. St David's Shopping Centre is one of the largest in the UK, with major brands and high street favourites. But for something more intimate and unique, explore the city's Victorian and Edwardian arcades, beautiful covered walkways filled with independent boutiques, quirky gift shops, and charming coffee spots. When it comes to food, don't miss trying traditional Welsh dishes. Head to the Cardiff Central Market for Welsh cakes, or sample cawl, a hearty stew often considered the national dish of Wales. The city's restaurants also offer a great mix of contemporary cuisine, local produce, and international flavors. Cardiff is compact and easy to get around, whether you're on foot, renting a bike, or using the excellent public transport network. Trains and buses make it easy to explore the city and its surroundings, and with regular services to London, you can travel between the two in just under 2 hours. The city also makes a great base for day trips. Visit the imposing Cardiff Castle, one of the largest in Britain, just a short train ride away. Or head north to the Brecon Beacons National Park for hiking, waterfalls, and stunning mountain views. And for something more relaxed, take a nostalgic trip to Barry Island, a classic seaside resort with sandy beaches and arcades, perfect for families, or a sunny day out. With its welcoming spirit, fascinating history, lively culture, and scenic beauty, Cardiff truly offers the best of both old and new. Whether you're here for a day, a weekend, or longer, this Welsh capital is guaranteed to surprise and delight. So why not make Cardiff your next adventure? Your feedback is valuable, so please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video to help others discover it.